Hello, my dear students. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for your GATE and ESE preparation. So, we have started a very interesting series. We call it as the Daily Dose. In this daily dose, you will be getting daily important concepts and important questions from different faculties, from different subjects, which will be helping you to improvise your score and understanding for any examination perspective. So, let us talk about today's session. In today's video, I'll be talking about a very interesting concept from the inventory. Right. So let us hear out what is the important concept. Basically a question, but from this question, I'll be explaining you a very important concept. Question is like this. The total inventory cost at the order size of 400 unit and 1600 units are equal. Then what is the value of economic order quantity? Now, we know that the economic order quantity, which we represent as Q star, is equal to 2D CO by CH root of this, where capital D represents the annual demand, your CO represents the ordering cost, your cost per order, your CH represents the holding cost per unit per year, right? Per unit per year, right? But in the problem, they have not mentioned anything about D also. They are not giving anything about CO and CH. Then how we need to calculate? Now, what is this total inventory cost? We know that total inventory cost at apart from EOQ is nothing but the summation of the ordering cost plus the holding cost. Let us apply this concept because they are saying the total inventory cost at 400 units. Let us say I'm taking Q1 is equal to 400 and Q2 is equal to 1600, right? So TIC at Q1 is equal to TIC at Q2. That means the total inventory cost at 400 units and the total inventory cost at 1600 units is exactly equal. So if I try to use the same relation, TIC Q1 is equal to TIC Q2. What is TIC? This is equal to your ordering cost 1 plus holding cost 1 is equal to ordering cost 2 plus holding cost 2, right? What is ordering cost? That is a D by Q1 into CO plus Q1 by 2 into CH. This is your annual holding cost, right? This is equal to the ordering cost for the second unit, that is your 1600. I'm assuming Q2 is equal to 1600. So we can say D by Q2 into CO plus Q2 by 2 into CH. So taking D by Q term, why I've taken D as same? Because it is for a single system. The annual demand, ordering cost, holding cost will be same for both the units because it's the same system, different order sizes. So if I take D by Q terms on the one side, so this is D by Q1 into CO minus D by Q2 into CO is equal to Q2 by 2 into CH minus Q1 by 2 into CH. Taking some common parameters, so we can say DCO, this is Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 into Q2 is equal to CH by 2 Q2 minus Q1. So from here Q2 minus Q1 and Q2 minus Q1 will be cancelling out. So what we can get is D into CO divided by Q1 into Q2 is equal to CH by 2. So you can rearrange the expression. We can say Q1 into Q2 is exactly equal to 2DCO by CH. Taking the square root on both the sides. Now what is this on the right hand side? It is 2DCO by CH. What is this? It is equal to Q star and they are asking this Q star only. So this is equal to Q star is equal to root Q1 into Q2. Very important. So now I can directly apply. If you know this particular concept, you can solve this question in a matter of seconds, right? But if you don't know, you will be very much confused how to start the problem, right? So you have to do this derivation. Ultimately, you'll be landing with this. So we can say the economic order quantity, which is Q star, is equal to under root of your 400 and 1600. 400 into 1600. So this comes out to be, this will be 20 into 40, which is 800 units. So now we can simply say we have got one very interesting concept in this particular video, that is, if the total inventory cost for any one quantity is exactly equal to the total inventory cost for the second quantity, we can simply say the economic order quantity will be the square root of Q1 into Q2. So this was your daily dose, from where I can come to a very important conclusion, that if the total inventory cost at one quantity is equal to total inventory cost for the second quantity, we can simply say the Q star is equal to root of Q1 into Q2. So this is a very important fact which you can use in your examination. It will definitely save your time and you will be getting the correct answer in very less time period. So this was all about for today's session. For more such awesome videos, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon, so that all the notification you will be getting the first notification. Okay, thank you guys. This is Sooraj Gopi signing off, and from your BYJU'S Exam Prep. Thank you. Bye bye.